All right, you clicked on this video because you want to find out more about synthetic underlayment and watch it get installed in a roof. Hey, before we get too far in the video, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Zach, the Roofing Maniac. I'm a licensed general contractor and roofing contractor in over 9 states. I'm also the owner of Digital Roofing Innovations, and I'm a U.S. military veteran. Let's get started. So you know how this video is going to go. What we're going to talk about first is what synthetic underlayment actually is, and then we're going to talk about our pros and cons of synthetic underlayment. And then finally, this video, we're actually going to be tearing off this roof, and we're going to be installing a new one. And in that process, we are going to be installing some new synthetic underlayment so you can actually see what it looks like to get installed and then how to do it. Now, this is a project for the National Forest Service. We're in Gorham, New Hampshire right now. So I just thought it would be a really good time for you to know exactly what you need to know about synthetic underlayment and watch it actually get installed on a real project. All right, what is synthetic underlayment? Well, synthetic underlayment is just a roofing underlayment. So it is actually replacing your traditional felt that you've seen on roofs for a really long time, the old black stuff that would tear really easily. That is your organic felt that's been used in the past, or saturated felt. Well, synthetic underlayment is typically made up of polypropylene or polyester, and you're going to find it typically in 15 or 13 pound types. Now, the synthetic underlayment is going to go in between your decking and then your roof top, whether it be shingles, cedar shake, slate. That's what's going to go in between. Now, the pros of synthetic underlayment is very durable. It's almost like a tarp being underneath your roof. It repels water. It's very fast to install. It's much safer, mainly because it's lighter, so the installers taking it up on your roof don't have nearly as much an opportunity to get hurt. And there's more materials per roll. So those are all the pros on it. Some of the cons are it's more expensive and it doesn't breathe particularly well. So sometimes there are some roofing designs that you do want to have an organic breathable felt versus a synthetic underlayment. All right, enough of me talking. We're going to install this Summit 60 Atlas synthetic underlayment. We're going to be installing the Atlas Pinnacle Pristine shingles on this particular roof, and so we're going to be using their synthetic underlayment to install it. Well, as you can see, we've installed the synthetic on the roof. I just wanted to show you guys exactly what synthetic was, what it is, what you're going to use it for, and then the installation process on an actual project. So this is kind of what it looks like after you get finished. Next is going to be going on the shingles. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever or comments, please leave them below. If you haven't liked the video, but you thought it was very helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you haven't subscribed, here's your official invitation to subscribe to Digital Roofing Innovations. And always at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.